Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and this is my YouTube channel. I cook and I do makeup and just general business and life tips. So today I'm making pineapple zobo. I already have a detailed, like an extremely detailed zobo recipe, but this is with a pineapple twist. So I boiled my water, super boiled water, your zobo leaves, and then chunks of pineapple. I made pineapple smoothie today. So this is a way for you to use your whole pineapple without it getting to waste, especially if it was super ripe and super sweet, which this was. So after the smoothie, I decided to use the chunks of the pineapple. Now we're talking the head, we're talking the back, and then just different parts of the pineapple that I didn't use for the smoothie. So this has a lot of sweetness in it and is a natural sweetener. With this, you don't even need to add sugar in your zobo when you're done. So all you do, as I did in the other Zobo video, I'll put a link to it because it's more detailed. This is more like a speed through. So all you have to do is just let the leaves boil together. If you're adding pineapple like I did in this video, let it boil together and then you sieve and then you pour the leaves back depending on if you use the big pot or not. If your leaves are faded, then that means they've given everything they have, but if not, you can pour it back and add water like I'm doing in this video now. So you're just going to add water and then let it boil again. Zobo is not really that needy. So just going to let it boil again and then you sieve and you allow to cool. So this is my last sieve. As you can see, the colors of the leaves have changed. It's like very pale, almost white now. So you're just going to let this cool down. I'm going to sieve the whole thing, let it cool down, and then add a little bit of ginger because this is pineapple flavored. I don't want the ginger to overtake the taste of the pineapple. So I'm just going to put very little ginger, and then I'm serving this with chunks of pineapple. You put in sugar or honey after this is totally optional because the pineapple gives it a certain natural sweetness that is just delicious. So you can serve this with ice and chunks of pineapple like I did here, or you can serve plainly. So I hope you're gonna try this recipe while you're a guest and let me know. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit it, hit it, hit it. I love you. Mwah.